just want to first start off by saying I miss seeing all of you, and I appreciate everyone's flexibility as we transition to an online class system over the next few weeks until we know further. So, how will we be doing this? We talked about it a little bit in last week's class, but I know not everyone is able to make it. So, I will be posting weekly modules on Canvas. This week's class, which would have normally been March 18th, tomorrow Wednesday, is going to be listed under week 6. I will be posting under the weekly modules the PowerPoint for the class, a YouTube video replacing our in-class lecture where I am going over the PowerPoint, discussing any topics that we will be covering. And then I will post a discussion question for you guys to comment on. Once you comment, as long as you comment by the end of the day that our class would have normally been on. So for example, for week 6, as long as you post your discussion question comment by midnight on March 18th, that will count for full credit attendance points. It doesn't mean you can't comment a question after that, you just won't get attendance credit. So that is how we will be tracking attendance. We're going to try this out and see how it goes. If anybody has any trouble accessing Canvas or seeing the YouTube video lectures or the PowerPoints, please let me know. I will be relaxing the grading moving forward. We'll talk about how the research project will change as of part 2, 3, and so forth. Part 1 remains the same. Please try to get it in by the end of tomorrow Wednesday, by midnight, to get full credit points. If you get it in by the end of the week, which would be Friday, you can still get majority of points, and then anything after that you get discounted points for not submitting it on time. We'll go over the midterm in the next week's discussion. Next week we'll go over the topics that the midterm will be covering. The midterm will be posted on Canvas, and you guys will have X amount of time to complete it. I do want to make note that, with what we have available to us, it is an open book midterm at this point. So please, if you have any questions or concerns, comment under this discussion board and we can engage in conversation. And I will be posting the lecture soon.